Hello! Welcome to Dorky Ever After! Today we have a Funko unboxing, a really exciting Funko unboxing. Funko Europe have very kindly gifted us a package from their brand new Funko Europe Store online. So we got some goodies to open ahead of Christmas.
Yeah,
ready? Yeah. So here we go. Oh, cool! Right in the top we can see the exciting thing.
That's really cool!
That is so cool! They're really cool. We'll take them out of the box in a sec because you have to see them out of the box. This is the Disney Archives 50 Special Edition Mickey Mouse 5-pack. This one is exclusively available on the Funko Europe shop online, so if you're interested in the 5-pack, which you'll see in a second how they look combined, Funko Europe shop. We'll show you guys how this looks out of the box after we've unboxed some more things. Cool, you pick. That's really cool, that's adorable.
This is a Loungefly bag, but I love it because it's got the gotcha pods and Hello Kitty gotcha pods. And when we go to Japan, that's my favorite thing to do. And I love it, it's got one coming out as well. I like it.
That's a really good Loungefly bag.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's quite heavy. Wow. Look at that, it's quite heavy.
Whoa, I think it's a hat.
Oh wow, this is the
cool.
Alien Remix Woody.
That's
okay, that's
cool.
really cool. So this is the bigger one. That's really big.
Wow.
That's so cool. I didn't realize it was that big. That is so cool.
These are going to be fun to take out of the board.
That is so, I love it so much. It's so cool.
Mandalorian!
We love the Mandalorian.
Yay!
It's literally like a weekly watching thing. If you're watching Mandalorian, let us know down below. No spoilers.
That's so cute. I love this one. Where it's got
It's
him
so
in
cute.
the-
But him walking with the
Scene.
child
It's
is so
scene.
cute.
It's a draw Mickey.
Special edition DIY Mickey Mouse, which is quite cool. A blank slate, you can do whatever you want to Mickey. Cat is working his way up the tree gradually.
Yeah, he'll lose interest once he's bitten every branch. Wow.
That's really cool.
So here are the Mickeys. It's so cool. I love how they're all drawing each other. Like, that's really, really cool.
Definitely one of those pops that comes with a really nice box, but it also comes like really nice outside the box, so you're kind of conflicted. You can also get them individually, the Mickey 50th Archive set, so you can have whichever ones you want, put them in a line, but to get them all in one group, in Europe at least, they're on the Funko Europe shop exclusively, and they're so good. Next, we got the big one. The Alien Remix Woody. I did not realize it was this big, admittedly.
It's really cool.
I knew it was bigger, but I thought it was going to be like Funko do like an in-between, which is like a 6-inch slightly bigger pop.
Yeah.
I thought it was that one, not this one, which is really good.
10-inch.
Yeah.
Good.
They also have some really big pops.
Yeah, those go up to like 18, 19 inches.
Yeah, it's like Batman, Harry Potter, Pikachu in America. Yeah, really good.
Oh, he's so good. You alright there?
Awkwardly opening pops.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that is so sturdy. Oh, that's really good. At first I was a little sad they didn't have a smaller standard size Alien Remix Woody to go with the Buzz and the other ones, but I really like this. This is so good. Why has he even got a pull string on the back?
Yeah. He's so good. Say Mandalorian.
This one looks really good.
There he is. Oh, that's so good.
That's really cool.
I like the color they went for on Baby Yoda because they went for more of a pastel. All the Star Wars ones are bubbles. They look really good. I like how shiny his helmet is. Oh, we were sent another box by Funko.
2 unboxings in one video.
Yeah.
So this is the package they very kindly sent us as like a nice little Christmas surprise, but because it was like a nice thing, we wanted to also show this in the video to you guys.
So I've got a pushing donut
That
bag.
is so cool.
Donut. It's so cute.
We've got oh, something wild. This is the card game we sent a while ago, the Toy Story version of. It's actually really fun. It comes with different themes and different forms. Here is the Disney Villains one with a Maleficent.
A Jack Skellington. Do you want to show
Oh,
us?
special edition. Look
Yeah.
at that. Vampire Jack in his vampire costume there. That's really cool.
Little silly.
Oh, okay, that's gonna go, unless you would like it.
No, you can
It's
have
gonna
it.
go on my keys. They're so cute.
Yay.
Look at that. And there he is, out of his little box. Spin around. Sully's so cool.
And then lastly, Tom's got this advent calendar.
This works really well because of I've been hunting down an advent calendar for the past few days in the UK and they're sold out everywhere. Like today is the 29th and I've been looking since the 27th. Yes, I left it late, but there are no chocolate advent calendars anywhere.
I bought mine a couple of weeks ago and I got it on offer. But it's the Mandalorian stationery one. It's so cute. So every day I get stationery. I can't have chocolate.
Mandalorian stationery every day.
It's great. It's like
And I
made
get
for me.
a Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop every day. That's really cool. Okay, I'm not going to open this now because it's not Advent yet, but make sure you're following us both on Instagram because Jamie's going to be doing the DIY Mickey Pop, and I'll show some of these on my Instagram. tomrpi and jamiejoart.
Thank you so much to Funko Europe because this is fun.
This is really cool. This bag is so adorable. I only know of, I think, 3 of the characters. I know Hello Kitty, Cinnamoroll, and Pompurin.
Yeah.
I actually don't know the names of the other ones.
You've got Choco Cat.
It's called Choco Cat.
All the names are on the inside.
Oh yeah, on the back.
Yeah.
It wasn't Cinnamoroll, it was My Melody.
Yeah, there's my Melody. Cinnamon Roll didn't make the cut.
Keropi. I love the frog. Keropi, where's Keropi? Where is he?
He's coming out the
Oh! Okay, I didn't realize that. That's really cool. There's actually a gashapon coming out of the thing.
Yeah, I know. It's so good.
That's really
It's called Gumball online.
That's
but
really
it's
well
actually
designed.
Gashapon.
Oh, that's so good.
It's so good. Wow! Oh, I love it actually. That's really
2 amazing bags from here.
Yeah.
We've got this amazing. This is my favorite thing. This Mickey archive set. And I said, like, I know that one is available only on the Funko Europe shop. So if you do like look to this, head over there.
Yeah.
And they packed things so well with this box.
It's really nice.
It was really good. Like, I've ordered things from various Funko shops over the years, and I've had a few where they have unfortunately come from, you know, other retailers a little bit battered. But this came really good, and I was really happy with this.
Yeah, I love the Mandalorian one.
I know the Mandalorian.
The last episode of Mandalorian.
I know.
Oh my god.
No spoilers below.
No spoilers.
But Mandalorian is
Oh,
getting
so
good.
good.
I think we have like, what was that, episode 5? So we have like 3 episodes left maybe. It's gonna be so hard when it's over.
10 still.
Oh no, it's gonna be so hard.
Let's see, 6, 7, 8. Oh no.
Yeah, 3 more episodes.
No.
Sad times. So if you're a fan of Pops and have just stumbled across our channel, please do check out our other Funko videos. I'll put a little playlist down below. I'll make a Funko playlist. Please do throw a like down below, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next Sunday. Guess what we're actually doing next week?
Omni rice.
Omni rice.
Finally.
How many weeks have we said like through? We're so sorry. We couldn't get through the video and not address it.
The thing is, it was Thanksgiving on Thursday, so we've got all this leftover food, so why would we make more food?
That's the thing, we're kind of like,
We're not wasteful.
we're working through the Thanksgiving leftovers.
Yeah.
You'll have to excuse us with that one, but we will have some really cool Mickey Mouse on the rice on this channel next week.
Also check out my video tomorrow where I'm decorating for Christmas, so
Yeah.
be good.
I was going to show an ornament, but I'm going to wait till Jamie's video, watch Jamie's video to see the tree.
Thank you.
Bye!